It could be worthwhile to inspect your plant if it begins to exhibit strange symptoms. Phakopsora euvitis is frequently linked to this disorder. Initially, brownish-orange granular masses may appear on the underside of leaves. These are some typical symptoms. Subsequently, both sides of the leaves develop little yellowish-brown blemishes. The orange lumps develop into elongated lesions as the condition worsens, turning dark brown and eventually nearly black. Severe infections cause the entire plant to become brown or yellow, which ultimately results in early leaf loss. The plantlets don't grow well the next season, which stunts the vine as a whole. Poor shoot development, brought on by this illness, might lower fruit quality and result in harvest losses. This problem can occur due to the symptoms described above are caused by the fungus Phakopsora euvitis. The fungal spores survive on plant debris and alternative host plants and are dispersed by wind. Rust pathogens develop in spots present on the leaf surface in the lower leaf layer as small, fine orange granules. Yellow-orange summer conidia are formed on the underside of the leaves, with dark necrotic spots on the surface. Temperatures above 20 degrees Celsius and humid weather conditions are favorable for disease development. Fungal spores can be easily dispersed by wind and air currents. You can experiment with natural remedies like apply a fungicide that contains sulfur to the leaves once. To guarantee that the fungicide can properly combat the disease, avoid spraying during wet conditions. If the illness worsens, you could whenever possible, think about combining biological therapies with prophylactic measures. It is thought that using fungicides containing the Bordeaux combination, aptofol, difalatin, propiconazole, tebuconazole, or azoxystrobin, can greatly lessen the disease's appearance. By using Baycor, 0.1%, 3 to 4 times every 2 weeks throughout following growing seasons, rust problems in vineyards can be managed. In order to lower the risk going forward, if resistant varieties are available, use them. Keep an eye out for signs of rust on the undersides of the leaves in the vineyard. Gather contaminated plant pieces and burn them. To enhance air circulation, prune trellises. In conclusion, the underside of leaves develops brownish-orange granular masses, early loss of leaves. To find out more about maintaining the health of plants, subscribe to the channel.